doesn't appear to do any damage to it at all. That saves your back, of course, but there is a pull start for backup, so I do. My initial thoughts on this is, you know, Toro's been around. A little challenging because it wants to go. I mean, I'd almost like to see just a lever with speed. Otherwise, it takes it all the way down to the pavement. So I like that. It's very easy, very convenient. Hey guys, Capper here. It's almost February. Today's 31st of January. It's finally at least into the 20s. So last time I went to snowblow, it was so frigid, I didn't last more than a couple minutes. It was like below 0 wind chill. So I'm just gonna clean up a few areas around the house here. You know, where we come and go, and down in this area. So I used an electric start this time, worked just fine, you know, with electric starter. All right, let me show you how the starter works. It's right up here. All you do is plug an extension cord in it. Okay, make sure your key is on. That saves your back, of course, but there is a pull start for backup, so I do like that electric starter. Nice. Let's clear some snow. give you my initial thoughts on this thing. Let's get out in the sunshine here. My initial thoughts on this is, you know, Toro's been around forever, so it's still a good brand. It's a lot lighter weight than what I'm used to. I used to have one of these Toros like 20 some years ago. Now, does that make it easier to blow snow? And yeah, it's maneuverable. I mean, my back does hurt today, but it hurts every single day, and this is about as lightweight as you can get. Now, this drive here is a little challenging because it wants to go. I mean, I'm only pushing it about that much to try and keep a slow speed, but you accidentally push and, you know, you're kind of, if you just lean a little, it goes too fast. I mean, I'd almost like to see just a lever with speed. I like the idea, but you just got to get used to it, I guess, you know. I mean, because if you go full bore, I don't know, it's going like 3-4 miles an hour. As far as throwing snow, yeah, it does just fine. You see I hit a little bit of ice here. That's normal. But otherwise, it takes it all the way down to the pavement. I did some of my wooden deck over here. We'll see, let's go look at that. But the, you know, the turnstile lever that has everything in one, that's easy to use, convenient once you get used to it. Because you can also angle, like the wind's blowing, so you can angle the snow to go not so much in the wind and come back in your face. So I like that. It's very easy, very convenient, one-handed operation. So here's a look at the wooden deck. First I thought, well, maybe I shouldn't run on it because I could scratch it. But it doesn't appear to do any damage to it at all. Not that I could see. So I just needed a walkway right here, and this will work fine. So that's my overall. I like the electric start. That's convenient. It doesn't have a throttle, doesn't have an accelerator, so you can't idle it up and down, you know, let it warm up, low idle. That's whatever reason, that's how they built it. You got a choke, you got electric start, and you got a pull start. The choke does work. Last time I did pull start it, two pulls that started, and that was like sub-zero. So I do like that. But here's your choke. You got all the way on, halfway on as you're warming it up. You got a primer that helps start it. Here's your pull start. Here's your electric starter. You know, they got a lifetime guarantee for the chute anyways. I don't know if it's for the whole machine, but so yeah, I mean, it's a decent machine for the price point of this thing. It's not totally gonna break the bank, and man, it can move some snow relatively fast. So I'll catch you on the next one. Best of luck if you're blowing snow like the rest of us in the Midwest and out east. But it'll move snow, there's no doubt. It'll lightweight, fast. Like if you're in a city or something, this would be great. Definitely be great. I mean, obviously out here we need a snow plow for the big driveway, but for around here it works just fine. Best of luck getting yourself unsnowed and unfrozen. I hope to see you again. Thanks.